Bafana versus Rwanda. Tonight is do or die for Bafana. South Africa take on Rwanda in a massive 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifier. And the stakes couldn't be higher. Kickoff is at 6 o'clock tonight, live from the Mbombela Stadium in Nelspruit. Come on, boys. Come on, South Africa. After that frustrating draw against Zimbabwe, Bafana must win tonight to keep our World Cup dream alive. We know you can do it. All eyes will be on Lyle Foster to deliver up front and Aubrey Modiba to spark that midfield creativity. Coach Brewers says it's all about focus, passion, and finishing strong. So let's stand behind the boys. Paint the stadium green and gold. And let's show South Africa what Mzansi magic looks like. This is Stefan, 2026 World Cup FIFA edition. Come on, Bafana. Let's bring it home. Share this. Let's go viral. Hashtag Bafana. Hashtag 2025. Let's go!